In this demonstration, Frank is going to add a new advice item to be included in the list of retirement advice. Frank is a member of the corporate communications team and does not know the intricacies of HTML coding, nor the technical aspects of the site. He does have a written document on his desktop that he would like to use to create his new advice topic in combination with other available corporate assets. Since Frank has authorization to add new content to the site, a taskbar at the bottom provides one-click access to content creation activities from within the context of the actual site. This eliminates all the guesswork about where the content resides. In addition to other authoring tasks, Frank can also create advice news that is related to the Prospero retirement products. Frank is taken to where the new advice will reside as the site visitor will see it. The page is pre-formatted with some default text and tags. Upon editing the page, an inline action toolbar appears, giving Frank quick access to perform edits on the page. Frank adds an image to the advice column by dragging an image from the image gallery and dropping it into the image spot, clearly marked by a red bordered square. Anywhere Frank sees this red square, he knows he can drop content into it. By simply clicking on any text, Frank can begin editing it. In this case, the Edit Live Rich Text Editor appears, allowing him enhanced formatting capabilities without knowing HTML. This editor has features similar to word processing tools, which makes it easy for Frank to understand. Frank can even import a Word document and have it pre-formatted into clean HTML, ready for web viewing. Frank decides that he needs more viewing real estate and simply detaches the editor from the browser by choosing the window view. Frank can move and size the windows as he needs, making it easier for him to copy and paste the text from the editor into the title area of the web page. Unknown to Frank, as the content is being edited, the text picks up the style of the site. Frank doesn't know that the title is in all caps, but the text is automatically formatted for him. This emphasizes the strength of being able to separate the content layer from the presentation layer. If another presentation template needs to be used to display the content with a different look and feel, it is automatically applied. Tags are an easy way to build relationships between content. Tags can be added automatically or changed manually. In addition, tagging content enhances search engine optimization. Next, the summary is added by extracting it from the rich text editor and pasting it onto the summary area of the page. In addition to importing clean HTML and retaining the format, styles are also automatically picked up, keeping site branding and formatting consistent. There is no need for the content creator to have to know the site's styles or branding. In addition, this helps maintenance when rebranding occurs. Frank would like to include a video in the advice column. He can easily select the video, and it is automatically embedded into the text. The rich text editor can be extended to provide custom capabilities. He saves the changes to preview the entire page. Upon saving, Frank instantly previews a site visitor's experience. Other features can be added or removed from the page, such as comments, ratings, and sharing. Frank decides he will not include these features for this advice item. These may easily be added back in if needed. To remove features, Frank simply needs to go back to the Extras drop-down and uncheck the features he wants to remove. The content will reload with his changes. In addition, they may easily be added back. By taking advantage of Web 2.0 features, such as AJAX and REST services, updating the content is simple and removes the flicker of a full page reload. Frank also has the ability to leverage predefined layouts that are personalized and secured for him, equipping him to change the page layout and the presentation with a click of a button. For example, he can put the image on the right, or the left, or in the center, and preview it instantly. The information button shows Frank where the content is in the workflow lifecycle, along with other useful information, such as the next stage. Before Frank's new advice is available on the web, It will need to be approved by his manager, Heather. The workflow button is used to move this advice to the next step of the workflow process, so that Heather may approve it. Heather will then receive an email notifying her that this advice column awaits her approval. Workflows can be customized to interact with third-party systems or trigger more robust business processing.